In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix attachments not showing up in Outlook, Windows and Office 365. Let's start with the simplest fix. If Outlook is using the reading pane, attachments can be easy to miss. Double-click the email to open it in its own window, then look near the top for the paperclip icon or a download button. Inline files and images often sit in that header area, and opening the message fully makes them visible. If nothing shows, confirm the sender actually included a file. Scan the message for phrases like attached file or see attachment. If the email mentions an attachment but none appears, ask the sender to resend it. Next, turn off Conversation View, which can group messages and hide attachments inside the thread. In Outlook, go to the View tab and switch off Show as Conversations. Then reopen the email and check again. If you're still stuck, try the Outlook web app. Sign into your mailbox online and open the same message. If attachments appear there, the issue is likely with the desktop app's cache or profile rather than the message itself. Some items, especially embedded images, can be blocked for security. In Outlook, go to File, Options, Trust Center settings, then Automatic Download. Uncheck Don't download pictures automatically to allow those images to display as intended. Security tools can also interfere. Open your antivirus settings and temporarily disable email protection or attachment scanning, then restart Outlook and test again. If attachments return, you've identified a conflict you can address within your security software. If the problem persists, repair your Outlook profile. Open Control Panel, choose Mail, then Email Accounts. Select your account and click Repair. This can fix profile corruption that hides message content. Clearing the Outlook cache can help too. Close Outlook, press Windows, plus R, and enter press local app data % Microsoft plus Outlook. Delete the temporary cache files you see there, then restart Outlook and recheck the message. Add-ins sometimes cause display issues. Go to File, Options Add-ins, choose Manage COM Add-ins, and disable anything unnecessary. Restart Outlook and test. Make sure Office is up to date. In Outlook, open File, Office Account, Update Options, then Update Now. You can also consult Microsoft Outlook support for official guidance. Finally, remember Outlook blocks risky file types like .exe, .bat, and .cmd. Ask the sender to compress the file into a zip or share a secure cloud link instead. If none of these resolve it, run an Office repair. Open Settings, Apps, select Microsoft